Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphones Philips on your Android device. So you have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. Click at the search line at the top and write Philips. And you need to install the application what called Philips headphones. Now open it, check mark, continue, close it, OK, allow. And that's it. In the next video I will show you how to add these headphones to the application. So if you don't know how to do this, you can check that video at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!